morning, friends. I'm so excited to make this summer solstice themed video for you guys. So summer solstice is the day of the year with the most hours of daylight, which makes it the perfect day to celebrate not only the light from the sun, but the lights within ourselves. So I've crafted my perfect midsummer day, spending time in nature, setting some intentions, and really just making it like an aesthetic day, just celebrating earth and the sun and summer. You know, it's also the first day of summer. So join me. Maybe you'll get some inspiration on things to do for your summer solstice or throughout the season. Or maybe we'll just hang out. Either way, I'm so glad you're here. One of the easiest ways to celebrate summer solstice is to spend time outside. There are so many physical and mental benefits from spending time in nature, so I decided I would pack up some supplies, go outside, and make a flower crown. I grabbed a couple different flower bunches from Trader Joe's, went to my favorite park, and then I took a turn off the trail to find a quiet spot by the river. Making flower crowns is a midsummer tradition to celebrate the arrival of summer. Some legends say that flowers and herbs picked during summer solstice have magical properties. Not sure if that applies to my Trader Joe flowers though, but I'm still having fun. This is my first time making a flower crown, and there was definitely some trial and error. I've seen tutorials where you just tie the flower stems together to make the crown, but I decided to use floral tape and wire to make mine. I ordered both of those from Amazon, but I'm sure any hardware store around your area should have them as well. I wrapped the floral wire around my head, and then I added an extra inch to get the correct size for the crown. I did that because I figured the flowers would start to bulk up around the wire, so the extra space was to compensate for that. And it actually worked perfectly. When I first started putting the flowers on the wire, I was putting the tape too close to the flowers. And then I started to catch on that you want to put the tape a little bit lower on the stem, and then as you move around the crown, it starts to reinforce that wire with all those stems. And also, the baby breaths really helped to fill out any empty space around the crown. So I definitely recommend having some sort of filler flower like that if you're planning on trying this.
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in. Golden, golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things. Mountain laurel high fives for miles in spring. Rainbow trout and hummingbird wing.
now that I have my flower crown, I wanted to take a moment to really appreciate nature. I sat down and I wrote in the mud 3 things I wanted to release, things I didn't want to carry into the summer season. I wrote judgment, self-doubt, and anxiety. These things don't serve me, and I decided to let them go. I wiped them away to seal it in, and if I catch myself falling into those old habits, I'll remind myself that I let it go and stop those thoughts from taking root. Then I took a moment to set an intention for the summer season, and that was to follow my dreams and create the life I desire, to work hard and accept nothing less than what I deserve. And I encourage you to do the same. What do you need to leave behind in spring, and what do you want to focus on this summer? When I was done outside, I went back home and I put together a summer-inspired simmer pot. I used rose water, mint, a variety of citrus, and then some of the leftover flowers to make it super aesthetic. It smelled amazing, and it was the rose water that really gave it that summery smell. After that, I put together a berry salad, and I'll link the recipe to that below in the description. It was super good, and it really was, again, a summery vibe.
I'll follow only golden, golden things, gold hair, gold rings, gold leaves, gold anything, golden. I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things. Walk up the river by my sun. Feet step over splinters of the moon. Golden, I'll follow only golden, 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 golden things, gold birds, gold string, gold words, gold anything, golden. I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things, golden. I'll follow only golden, golden, golden things.
All right, so I've used this Cuisinart tool twice in the video so far. And what it is it's an immersion blender, and then it comes with a bunch of different pieces. I highly recommend it. It's so convenient. So I'm laughing here because I poured the dressing into this jar, and it just filled it up like a third of the way. But I made 4 servings of the dressing and only 1 serving of the salad. So I wanted to save the rest, and that was the only salad dressing jar I had, so it looks a little sad, but I'm glad I saved it because it was really good.
When I'm walking on a breeze, I got no enemies. I just do what I please. Yes, sir. I ain't got no things, no money, no means. Just a wind in the wings. Yes, sir. I got my feet on a cloud and I won't come down. No, I won't come down. I used to bounce on knees, fresh from the oven, chubby and carefree.
Okay, so I think the last thing I'm going going to do in the video today to celebrate summer solstice is plant some flowers in this super cute strawberry planter. I got it from Marshall's for $16 about a month ago. And I picked these up from Lowe's yesterday. They're shade flowers, which is because I want to put them here where this one from last season is. Not doing so well. So yeah, I can't put it directly in the pot because there's no drainage hole. So I'm going to put it in here and then kind of boost it up. You'll see. You'll see.
Now I oversee the trees, birds and the beasts and the man and his empty deeds. I see everything. I got my feet on a cloud and I won't come down. I saw the eyes of the maker, heard a rushing sound, caught up in the wheel going round and round, spun like gold from the shining ground. I got my feet on a cloud and I won't come down. Do-do-do-do.
I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed filming it. Your support is so appreciated as I continue to grow as a creator. Please like and subscribe for many more videos to come. I hope you have an amazing summer solstice.
No one knows when the bells go ring.